In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form to your website in Genspark. A clear contact form helps visitors reach you without digging for contact details, and it keeps inquiries organized. We'll walk through it step by step so you can set it up with confidence. Start by opening your website project in Genspark. From the dashboard, select the site you want to edit and let the builder load your pages. Go to the page where you want the contact form to appear. Many sites use a dedicated contact page, but you can also place a form on your homepage or a landing page if that's where you expect inquiries. Scroll to the spot where the form should live so it fits naturally with the surrounding content. Add a new section or block designed for lead capture or contact details. In the editor, choose Add Section or open the Blocks panel. Then pick a layout labeled Contact Form or Lead Capture that suits your design. Now insert the fields you need. At a minimum, include name, email, and a message box. Mark the essential fields as required and use clear labels and brief placeholder text so visitors know exactly what to enter. If available, switch the message field to a multi-line text area to make longer notes easier to type. Configure the form so submissions go to the correct destination if those settings are available. Open the form settings and select where messages should be delivered, such as your primary inbox or a connected CRM, then double check that the destination is correct. Preview the form and test a sample submission. Use realistic test information. Submit the form and confirm you received the message. Also, try leaving a required field blank to verify that error messages appear as expected. When everything works, save and publish the page. Once the changes are live, refresh the public page and perform one final test submission to make sure everything functions outside the editor. That's it. You've added a functional, user-friendly contact form in Genspark. With the right fields, clear labels, and a verified destination, you'll capture inquiries reliably and respond faster. If you ever update your design, return to this page and adjust spacing or field order so the form remains easy to find and complete. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building a smoother path for your visitors to get in touch.